Hi, hello, and namaskaram. Welcome to another episode of Fine Dining Indian. And hi from Bobby again. So, in this video, we'll be learning how to make a tandoori chicken skewer with a corn salad, and we made a masala mayo. Masala mayo is we mix it with onion tomato. You can find all the links in above. You can watch how to make the mayonnaise, how to make the chicken skewers, the cut how you can make, and then everything you can make at home. Either you can cook it in a pan or in a barbecue or in a tandoori fire. So watch the video and let me know your feedback.
So we make a basic marination for the chicken. It's a red color. So ginger garlic paste. This one you can make and keep it, and then if you want to use it, you can use it again. You can leave it in the fridge, so you can use whenever you need it. Just turmeric, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, and lemon juice. If you have, you can use a bit of lemon juice. Salt, touch of oil. Mix it. So the second marination for the chicken breast and the kebabs, we need yogurt. It's best to use thick yogurt, chili powder, garam masala. You can add jeera powder, or I don't have it now, so I'm not putting it. You can add jeera powder, salt, a touch of vinegar. If you have malt vinegar, it's good. And then mustard oil. Mustard oil is good for the kebabs because it gives a light pungency and it's bring up the flavor. Mix it. So for the chicken kebab skewers, the chicken is marinated already and we rested. And now with the peppers, I'm just going to skewer it. Can use alternate colors. If you have a nice bamboo skewer, it'll be good. I'm just using some lemongrass. So you need to be careful, it can bend. So for the chicken kebab with the peppers, make sure the pan is hot. Touch of oil. If you're using barbecue and things, just paste or brush the oil on top of the chicken and then put it straight onto the grill, so it doesn't get stuck into the kebab. So once it's seared nicely, you just turn the side. I'd rather cook it on slow heat. So for plating the kebab, I'm putting some tadka mayonnaise, or the labab. Sorry, it's not a tadka. So I'm putting some lababda mayonnaise, or takatak mayonnaise. Mayonnaise mixed with onion tomato masala. A well on the middle. The corn salad. Now place the kebab skewers, or the chicken tikka skewers. Okay, it's ready. And on top place some peppers, pepper julienne. Just drizzle a bit of chili oil.
Hi, hello, and namaskaram. Welcome to another episode of Fine Dining Indian. And hi from Bobby again. So in this video we'll be learning how to make a tandoori chicken skewer with a corn salad, and we made a masala mayo. Masala mayo is, we mix it with onion tomato. You can find all the links in above. You can watch how to make the mayonnaise, how to make the chicken skewers, the cut how you can make, and then everything you can make at home. Either you can cook it in a pan or in a barbecue or in a tandoori fire. So watch the video and let me know your feedback.